Kumbaga Meghalaya kalapan krea ban pelong ya ke National Games haki Ars Namban 1. Nakaliang umentri ka tanat Sports and Youth Affairs uba wailat miki shala. Ulaong baki kam Jingtei Baper. Nakabentaban pelong ya ke niga Jingel kai. Kilalong ki Beit Ïaid Beit Ryntih. Habayat hu baka sarkar kalada ban pelat ya ke first installment. Kapisa sa Baroh ki Association nakabenta ki la Jingtei bat ki training. Ulaong baki way bat ki jalaga ni kathan sa tay lamingi ki ban pelong ya katu ani ki Jingel kai kimpat penbiang bat pentip kumki ay ki Jingel kai ki mud ban pelong.
During national games, when I came as the sport minister, so I took a review meeting, and then we have reviewed most of the, especially the infrastructure part, and then even not only the infrastructure, even the training part with all the association and all. So I think, as you all well aware, that we have disbursed the first installment to all the association in order to procure the infrastructure, the equipment for training and all. And then as for the infrastructure, now it is going on, but we are still in that stage because as you I think you already aware that Meghalaya is at the same time, like few of the northeastern state will be co-hosted this national game. So there are few events to be held in the few states, so they are yet to finalize on that. So we are waiting on that. So then only we can finalize that what more infrastructure we need to come up.
Is it because we don't have infrastructure that we are outsourcing to other states?
No, that is totally it, because this is purely the request from the ministry that they really want to be some the northeastern state to be a part of this. So because we want to take it as a northeast for this Meghalaya.
But Meghalaya will be losing out. We are giving
No, we are not losing out anything. So that also we are waiting, and it's up to us to decide which discipline to give. It's up to us.
So, but how many disciplines exactly will be held in Meghalaya?
Mostly more right now I cannot see the exact number, because still I told you, we are waiting the other state how many they are going to to participate, because there are some states which have not contacted us yet. As for Assam till now we have not contacted that which sports or even they want to take. So it is not, I think it is not sure for me to give you the how many numbers we are the Meghalaya, but maximum I think at the most one event will be held in one state. We are well prepared, and I assure you that we will be finishing it before the deadline. And I have been myself, I have like I said, I have reviewed the construction and even the other part also. As you yourself also, you can see that a lot of construction is going on right now, even like in JN Stadium also. Only the tender, most of the tender already flowed, and no doubt there was some issue regarding the accommodation that also is being taken care of, because very soon we are coming up with the hostels and all in New Shillong and other part of the state.